How you doing? My name is Moran and I work for Acbeyond. On this video we're going to talk about the symbols and the ladder schematic and the pictorial. Like I said, we're going to talk about baby steps so we can get into the bigger stuff, troubleshooting techniques and everything else. We're going to talk about the beginning. We're going to be with a coil. This represents a coil. There's going to be normally open contacts. This one's going to be normally closed contacts. You're also going to have a symbol like this, which represents the low pressure. And then having a symbol is up and represents head pressure. Okay. We're also going to have, let's going to add the light bulb. Okay, this is not a light bulb. Okay, we're also going to have a switch. Okay, there's a single pull, single throw, and then the next one we're going to be hold on, single pull, double throw. What I'm talking about, single pull is one, and then single throw, meaning they're going to go on and off, and the other one has optionals, just in case we might use that. Okay, that's another thing. Pretty much that's it. Oh, we also have a transformer, a little thing, but it's going to be representing transformer. Okay, transformer. We're also going to have a terminal strip. Terminal strip is going to be R, Y, G, and common. Okay, these terminal strips are inside your air conditioner and also on your thermostat. R means is going to be color red, and it means power. Okay, this one is yellow, or Y1, and means cooling. G means it's a green color and it's for fan. It's for the evaporator fan, not condenser fan, not the condenser fan. And common is going to be black. We can use black or brown, and it's going to be for your common wire. Okay, pretty much this is the mostly the ones that we usually use. Okay, now hold on, I'll have everything here. Okay, now this much, like I said, this is what we're going to be using. We're going to have more later on, but since we have that, now we're going to talk about the ladder schematic and a pictorial. So on the pictorial, when you look at when you look at a wiring diagram, right? You have on this one, let's say if you have the components, right? You have, let's say, you have a coil in here, and then you have over here, you have let's say they use a symbol for the low pressure switch, let's just say, right? So, and then it's going to have over here, you're going to have a box, you're going to have a transformer. Okay, that's a pictorial. The wire is going to be, they're going to run the wire from here and the wire over here, and so far and so on. But now that's a pictorial. The ladder schematic, it looks like a ladder. Okay, now we're going to be talking about the ladder schematic, and this is what's supposed to look like. Okay, Now we're going to do with, we're going to start with 120. So there's going to be, this is the hot leg, and there's going to be the neutral. Hold on. So this is going to be pretty much the neutral wire, okay? If you look at it, it's going to, let's just make believe this is a extension cord. Just give you an example, okay? Remember, this is the high side, and that's your neutral. So if you want to put, let's just suppose you put a light switch here, on an off switch, and a light bulb, okay? Now this is your light bulb. You see, it's a hot wire, goes to the switch, from the switch goes to the light bulb, and the light bulb goes to the neutral, right? So let's suppose if you have the same scenario here, let's just suppose that, let's just, we're gonna have, they have hot here, and you have neutral, okay? I have two boxes, okay? And let's suppose there are light switches, let's say, that switch is here, okay? Well, and this is gonna be considered, okay, this is going to be your light bulb, right? Okay, this is your light bulb, okay? So, you're going to have a hot leg from here, going to here, going to the switch, from the switch, going to the light bulb, and from the light bulb, it's going to go to your neutral. This is a pictorial, okay? And this is the ladder schematic, okay? See, when I was learning the AC field, I was learning that way. I was learning that, and pretty much for me it was easier, but when one of my teachers told me that it was better to learn the ladder schematic, and then pretty much it's true, because to be able to troubleshoot this is harder, because you have to trace the wire, I have to find out where it is, and it's a mess. See, this here, the ladder schematic, same setup as that one, but the difference is to be able to troubleshoot it's easier, because if I want to troubleshoot, all I have to do, put my lead on neutral, right? I have the meter here, right? And put my meter here, okay? First of all, you want to see, make sure we have power, and then let's suppose it is 120, we're going to get 120 volts, okay? Now remember, see, right now, okay, let's suppose that light is off, right? Switch is open. I get 120 volts here, okay? But now, if from here I check, I got 120, okay? Now, if I put it here, I'm gonna get 0, because there's no power here, see? Now, if I put the switch, if I close the switch, then I'm gonna get 120. Okay, the switch is closed. The light comes on. I'm going to get 120. Now, if I put it on the other side, I'm also going to get 120. And if I put it right here also, I'm still going to get 120. See, the way to troubleshoot this, it's easier when you have, I usually put the meter on the common, and then it's called hopscotch. You start from here, and then you work yourself from this side to that side, pretty much, okay? So this will be, I think like the third video, actually the fourth. There was another video before a couple of years ago, but this is to be the third video of going on from the electrical, trying to learn more and more. All right, so pretty much that's the explanation about the ladder and the pictorial, but remember, the symbols that I put before, we're going to be introducing one by one, and we're going to be able to troubleshoot, like a troubleshoot technique. It'll be easier for mechanics. Then later on, there's another technique that's called inside-outside. Talk about the air conditioner. If you go to an air conditioner, you get told right away where is the problem. Is the problem inside the air conditioner, or is it going to be outside the air conditioner? I use that technique, and it saves me a lot of time when I'm when I used to be in the field. Now I work in a building, but I still use the same technique. But anyway, I hope you like my video, and then just subscribe, you know. All right, thank you for everything. Don't forget, click the bell, subscribe, and then just follow me, and we'll, you know, I'll teach you some basic air conditioning into commercial and everything, okay? I was just started as an apprentice, not a helper, as an apprentice, because you're there to learn, not to help people, okay? Anyway, good luck, and click the bell, subscribe, and then just follow me, and we'll, you know, I'll teach you some basic air conditioning into commercial and everything, okay? I was just started as an apprentice, not a helper, as an apprentice, because you're there to learn, not to help people, okay? Anyway, good luck, and see you soon. Bye.